Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be making an origami stocking. This is for Christmas too. I'll use 20 by 20 centimeters of origami paper, yellow on one side and white on the other. This will be our stocking. It's pretty simple to make. Okay? And with that being said, let's get started. If you have a colored piece of paper and a white side piece of paper, the white side should be facing up. So our first step is to fold in half horizontally. Crease it, unfold, and now we're gonna flip it over and we're gonna fold just a bit like that. It shouldn't matter if it's uneven. Okay, now we're gonna flip it over and we're gonna fold this side and this side to the middle. Crease. And we're gonna do the same thing on this side. And we're gonna fold the whole thing in half. Just reinforce. And now, with the open side facing towards you, we're gonna take this side and fold it so that only 1/3 is left. So about this much. Okay? Now, we're gonna crease, unfold, and we're gonna fold this to the crease we just made right here. Now unfold and we're gonna open it up and we're just gonna fold this inside along the creases we just made. Like so, just align and make your crease. And now we're gonna open this up and we're gonna fold this upwards. You might want to fold it all the way, like so. Now we're gonna fold it in half and it should look like this. Okay, now we're gonna rotate and we're gonna fold this just a bit, like so. And now we're gonna open it up and fold that crease inwards, like that. And we're just gonna fold this also inside, like that, and like that. And it should look like this. Just reinforce if necessary. And that is our stocking, guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe. That really helps my channel a lot. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, guys.